Well, I initially started out with very severe tooth decay, and I would say probably about 10 years ago is when I started having severe pain in my teeth, and I had to have several extractions done at a local dentist. And probably about 3 or 4 years ago, it got to the point where I actually lost my entire upper arch. So I was without any ability to chew for a couple years. And that brought me to Misch Implant Dentistry. I found them online, and I had some pretty bad experiences with dentists and oral surgeons in the past. I think a lot of it had to do with the anxiety around different procedures and the severity of the pain that I was in at the time. And my experience here was fantastic. They addressed my concerns. They laid out in more detail than I had gotten from other clinicians, plans and options for me in terms of what I could or what they would recommend to have done. And one of the big things I learned early on was that plans can change, and depending on how well you do before or after a procedure, that can dictate your treatment in the future. So, one of my big recommendations would be, I wish I had come in earlier, obviously, given the amount of damage that was done to my teeth and the amount of pain that I was in. So I would highly recommend, if you are looking to get dental work done, this isn't something that gets better over time. It's better to treat this early and get ahead of it, because it'll be easier on you, less painful, and probably cost you less money in the long run the earlier you deal with issues like this. It's almost strange how you almost get used to not chewing solid food after a while, but it's fantastic to be able to eat literally whatever I want again. So that has dramatically changed my life. I'm no longer self-conscious about smiling in front of other people. I always used to smile with closed lips that's probably been going on for 15 years. So that's a very new thing.